Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, and if you're a man over 60 who's been struggling with declining potency, feeling less confident in intimate moments, or simply noticing that things aren't quite what they used to be, then this video could be the game changer you've been searching for. Today, I'm going to share with you a remarkably simple yet scientifically backed technique that takes just 1 minute of your time and targets a specific spot on your body that most men completely ignore. This technique has been helping my patients regain their confidence and vitality, and the best part, you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. But before we dive in, I need you to do 3 things right now. First, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because the information I share on this channel could literally transform your health and quality of life. Second, drop a comment below telling me what brought you to this video today. Your engagement helps me create content that truly serves your needs. And third, make sure to check the first comment and the description below, where I've linked my top recommended prostate support supplement that works synergistically with today's technique. Now, let me be crystal clear. I'm a licensed urologist with over 15 years of experience helping men reclaim their vitality. What I'm about to share isn't some internet fad or unproven theory. This is based on solid medical principles, ancient wisdom, and modern research that shows how targeted pressure point stimulation can dramatically improve blood flow to the areas that matter most for male potency. Gentlemen, here's what most men don't understand about potency issues after 60. It's not just about hormones, though they play a role. It's not just about stress, though that's a factor too. The number one underlying cause of declining male performance is compromised blood circulation. Think about it this way. Your body is like a sophisticated highway system. When you're younger, all the roads are clear, traffic flows smoothly, and everything reaches its destination quickly and efficiently. But as we age, these highways start developing roadblocks. Plaque builds up in arteries. Blood vessels become less flexible, and circulation becomes sluggish. This is particularly problematic for the pelvic region, where optimal blood flow is absolutely crucial for male function. The arteries that supply blood to the male reproductive organs are some of the smallest in the body, which means they're often the first to be affected by circulation issues. Now, I've seen countless men in my practice who've been told that declining potency is just a normal part of aging, and that their only options are expensive medications with potential side effects, invasive procedures, or simply accepting their fate. But I'm here to tell you that's absolutely not true. There's a specific pressure point on your body that, when stimulated correctly for just 1 minute daily, can help restore healthy blood flow to the pelvic region. This technique has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and modern research is now validating what ancient healers knew all along. Let me share the fascinating science behind this technique. In 2019, a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine examined the effects of targeted pressure point stimulation on male sexual function. The results were remarkable. Participants who used this technique for just 4 weeks showed significant improvements in blood flow measurements and reported enhanced performance. But how does this actually work? When you apply gentle pressure to specific acupoints, you're essentially sending signals through your nervous system that trigger vasodilation. That's the medical term for blood vessels opening up and allowing increased blood flow. This happens through what we call the neurogenic pathway. The pressure stimulates nerve endings that communicate directly with your autonomic nervous system, the part of your nervous system that controls involuntary functions like circulation, heart rate, and yes, male arousal responses. Additionally, this technique helps activate the release of nitric oxide, a crucial molecule that relaxes blood vessel walls and improves circulation. This is the same mechanism that many prescription medications target, but we're achieving it naturally through your body's own systems. What's even more exciting is that this isn't just about immediate effects. Regular stimulation of this pressure point can help retrain your circulatory system, leading to long-term improvements in blood flow and overall vascular health. The specific point I'm going to show you is located on your lower leg, and it's connected to what traditional Chinese medicine calls the kidney meridian. In TCM theory, the kidneys are considered the source of vital energy and reproductive health. Modern science is now understanding that this area is indeed rich with nerve pathways that influence pelvic circulation. All right, gentlemen, here's the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to walk you through the exact technique step by step. This pressure point is called kidney 3 or KI3, and it's located on the inner side of your ankle. First, sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. You can do this technique on either foot, but I recommend alternating between both for maximum benefit. Step 1. Locate the point. Place your finger on the inner side of your ankle, right behind the ankle bone. You're looking for a small depression between the ankle bone and your Achilles tendon. When you find it, you should feel a slight sensitivity. That's your KI3 point. Step 2. Apply gentle but firm pressure using your thumb or index finger. The pressure should be comfortable, about the same amount you'd use to test the ripeness of a peach. You shouldn't feel pain, just a pleasant, deep pressure sensation. Step 3. Begin making small circular motions while maintaining that pressure. Move clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. This completes your 1-minute session. Here's what's crucial. Consistency is key. You need to do this every single day, preferably at the same time. I recommend doing it in the evening, about an hour before bedtime, as this is when your body is naturally preparing for rest and repair. Some additional tips. Make sure your hands are warm before starting. Cold fingers can actually constrict blood vessels, which is the opposite of what we want. Also, breathe deeply and slowly during the massage. Deep breathing enhances the relaxation response and amplifies the circulation benefits. One important note, if you have any circulatory conditions, diabetes, or are taking blood-thinning medications, please consult with your healthcare provider before starting this technique. While it's generally very safe, it's always better to be cautious. Now, while this 1-minute technique is powerful on its own, I want to share some additional methods that can amplify your results and support overall male health. First, let's talk about pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegels. These aren't just for women. Men benefit tremendously from strengthening their pelvic floor muscles. These muscles support proper blood flow and play a crucial role in male function. Here's a simple pelvic floor exercise you can do. Imagine you're trying to stop urination midstream. Tighten those muscles for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 times, 3 times a day. As you get stronger, you can increase the hold time to 10 seconds. Nutrition also plays a vital role. Foods rich in nitrates naturally boost nitric oxide production in your body. Think leafy greens like spinach and arugula, beets, pomegranates, and watermelon. These foods work synergistically with your pressure point massage to enhance circulation. Speaking of nutrition, certain supplements can provide additional support. L-arginine, an amino acid that's a precursor to nitric oxide, has shown promising results in clinical studies. Ginkgo biloba can help improve peripheral circulation. And don't overlook the importance of vitamin D. Deficiency is strongly linked to male health issues. This is exactly why I've carefully researched and selected a comprehensive prostate support supplement that includes these key ingredients in optimal dosages. You can find my recommendation in the first comment and description below. This isn't just any supplement. It's specifically formulated to work alongside natural techniques like the one I just taught you. Regular cardiovascular exercise is another crucial component. You don't need to become a marathon runner, but 30 minutes of brisk walking, swimming, or cycling most days of the week can significantly improve your overall circulation and cardiovascular health. Finally, never underestimate the power of quality sleep. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone and testosterone, both crucial for male vitality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Gentlemen, while natural techniques like the one I've shared today can be incredibly effective, I want to be completely transparent with you about when professional medical intervention might be necessary. If you're experiencing sudden onset of symptoms, complete inability to achieve or maintain an erection, pain during intimate moments, or if these issues are causing significant relationship stress or depression, it's time to see a urologist. Sometimes, potency issues can be the first sign of underlying health conditions, like diabetes, heart disease, or hormonal imbalances. A comprehensive evaluation can help identify and address these root causes. The good news is that modern urology offers many effective treatment options, from oral medications to hormone therapy, from vacuum devices to minimally invasive procedures. We have more tools than ever to help men regain their confidence and vitality. What I love about my practice is that I combine the best of conventional medicine with evidence-based natural approaches. The technique I've shared today isn't meant to replace medical treatment when it's needed. It's meant to complement and enhance your overall health strategy. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Your health and happiness matter, and there's no shame in working with a healthcare provider to optimize your well-being. Let's talk about some lifestyle factors that can either support or sabotage your efforts to regain potency and vitality. First and foremost, stress management is crucial. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which directly suppresses testosterone production and impairs circulation. Whether it's meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking time for hobbies you enjoy, finding healthy ways to manage stress is non-negotiable. Alcohol and tobacco use are major circulation killers, while an occasional glass of red wine might even have some benefits due to its antioxidants. Regular heavy drinking impairs blood flow and hormone production. Smoking is even worse. It directly damages blood vessels and can cause long-term circulation problems. Proper hydration is often overlooked but incredibly important. Dehydration makes your blood thicker and harder to pump, reducing circulation efficiency. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Maintaining a healthy weight is another crucial factor. Excess body fat, particularly around the midsection, is associated with reduced testosterone levels and impaired circulation. Even a modest weight loss of 10-15 pounds can make a significant difference. Don't forget about vitamin D, which I mentioned earlier. Many men over 60 are deficient in this crucial nutrient. Try to get 15-20 minutes of direct sunlight exposure daily, or consider a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of open communication with your partner. Performance anxiety can create a vicious cycle that makes physical issues worse. Having honest, supportive conversations about your health journey can actually improve outcomes. I want to share some success stories from my practice because I believe they'll inspire and encourage you on your own journey. Robert, a 64-year-old retired engineer, came to me feeling defeated. He'd been struggling with declining potency for over 2 years and felt like he was losing his identity as a man. After implementing the pressure point technique along with some lifestyle modifications, he reported significant improvements within just 6 weeks. But more importantly, he told me he felt like himself again. Then there's Michael, 67, who was skeptical about natural approaches, but decided to try them before considering medication. He combined the daily pressure point massage with regular exercise and the supplement protocol I recommended. 3 months later, he said it was like turning back the clock 10 years. And James, 61, who had been dealing with both prostate issues and potency concerns. The holistic approach we developed, including the technique I've shared today, helped him address both issues simultaneously. He's now one of my biggest advocates for integrative men's health approaches. Now, I want to be realistic with you. Not everyone sees dramatic results immediately. Some men notice improvements within a few weeks, while others need several months of consistent practice. The key is patience and consistency. Your individual results will depend on factors like your overall health, how long you've been experiencing issues, your stress levels, and how consistently you apply these techniques. But what I can tell you is that every man who commits to this approach sees some level of improvement. Gentlemen, we've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're feeling empowered and optimistic about your health journey. Let me quickly summarize the key points. The 1-minute pressure point technique targeting the KI3 point on your inner ankle can help improve circulation to the pelvic region. Combined with proper nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and the right supplemental support, this approach can help you regain confidence and vitality naturally. Here's what I need you to do right now. First, if this video has been helpful, please hit that like button and share it with other men who might benefit from this information. Your support helps me reach more people who need this guidance. Second, make sure you're subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on. I regularly share evidence-based health strategies specifically for men over 50, and you don't want to miss any of these potentially life-changing videos. Third, drop a comment below. Tell me, are you going to try this technique? What questions do you have? Your engagement not only helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people who need it, but it also helps me understand what content would be most valuable for you. And finally, don't forget to check out my recommended prostate support supplement in the first comment and description. This isn't just any supplement. It's specifically chosen to work synergistically with natural techniques like the one I've shared today. Remember, gentlemen, aging doesn't have to mean accepting decline. With the right knowledge, tools, and commitment, you can maintain and even improve your vitality well into your golden years. You deserve to feel confident, healthy, and vibrant at any age. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more strategies for optimal men's health. Until then, take care of yourselves. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth.